Dumpster Rental service in Monticello, New York. Every successful project begins with a clean workspace, and that starts with reliable waste management. At NextGen Dumpster Rental, we proudly offer a dumpster rental service in Monticello, New York, tailored to meet your project needs. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen, cleaning a garage, or managing a construction site, we have the correct dumpster. We know that time and convenience are everything. That's why our delivery is punctual, our pickup is timely, and our service is designed to fit around your schedule. No more waiting around for your dumpster to arrive or be removed. With us, things work smoothly and efficiently. Our dumpster rental service includes a range of sizes, from compact bins for household projects to large containers for full-scale construction jobs. No matter what you're working on, we have the right solution to keep your cleanup on track. Our team is always here to help you select the perfect size and guide you through the process. At NextGen Dumpster Rental, we focus on integrity, clear communication, and customer satisfaction. With upfront pricing and no hidden fees, you'll always know what to expect. Call us today at 845-456-0335 to reserve your dumpster and get your project rolling. Let's handle the mess together, quick, easy, and stress-free.